equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the MSI MS17B laptop. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your device running smoothly. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. It's crucial to clean the inside of your laptop to prevent overheating. Take the can of compressed air and gently blow out any dust from the fans and vents. Be sure to hold the can upright to avoid any moisture getting inside. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, let's check the RAM and hard drive. If you want to upgrade or replace these components, carefully unclip the RAM sticks and pull them out. For the hard drive, locate the screws holding it in place and remove them. If you're unsure about this process, don't hesitate to reach out for our pickup and delivery at your home service. We can handle everything for you, ensuring no calls or travel are necessary. After cleaning and checking the components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the hard drive and RAM back in their slots, ensuring they are secure. Replace the back panel and screw it back in place. Remember to reconnect the battery if you removed it. Now, let's talk about software maintenance. Regularly update your operating system and drivers to ensure optimal performance. You can check for updates in the settings menu. If you're not comfortable doing this, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, once everything is back together, power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your MSI MS17B, keeping it in top shape for years to come. Thank you for following along with this guide, and remember, we are here to help with any of your laptop needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.